Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. I just want to do a quick flight video of this DIY 350 airplane from Banggood that I didn't recommend. I did the review a couple months ago. It turned out to be a terrible flyer, but today is nice. There's almost no wind, very slight breeze changing, and I wanted to give another chance. If you remember the previous video, this is not proportional turns, it's just on off, and it is very unstable during turns, and I think overreacts in terms of the control inputs. So let's give it a try in this nice weather and see if it's going to make any difference. And let's do a quick flight. As you see, it's very unstable. I mean, I'm using the original battery. I didn't put any weight at this point. It is tail heavy. Oh, okay, it's down again. Yeah, I mean, I was able to fly it for like 15-20 seconds, but it is an exercise. It's a tiring thing. You are constantly doing right, left, and I even tried doing the turns not continuous, but just by bumping the stick. Let's take it a little higher, and then you see it just doesn't want to take any command, and then it lost control now. Wow, it did it is doing some loops. Okay, I have to decrease the throttle, because when you increase the throttle more than half, that's what happens. So as you see, I'm not even hitting the stick, it's just its own doing. The gyro stabilization is kicking too hard right and left, out of sync, so it goes into those right-left oscillations. I'm not touching it, just doing the oscillations by itself. And I cut down the power a little bit. It is still doing those oscillations. I'm not touching it, it's doing all on its own. And it just cut off, and momentarily, let's see if I can save it. No, I couldn't save it. I mean, it's almost impossible when it gets into one of those loops. It is almost impossible to save it. It is extremely tail heavy, and I tried using in the previous episode thank you, Max, a heavier battery, and it worked a little bit, but not that much. And my friend Tim over here, I gave him exactly the same and asked him if he would like to modify, and he modified his. Let's shove these side by side, because his has more dihedral. He changed the locations of the motors, as you can see. Can you rotate it towards me a little bit? Yep. And then, you know, the significantly more wing area, and then new place for the motors, the trim tabs on the back for the rudder and elevator, dihedral, and some weight in the front, and still flying terribly. And Tim can make anything fly. If he cannot make this fly, actually it flies better than mine, that's for sure, but it is not as tail heavy, so it's more balanced, as you can see. And I'm going to try to keep mine next to his, and mine is not doing good. Sorry about the sun. You have to be very gentle with it. And even his came down. And on this nice and calm weather, you know, you look at the undulations. I mean, I have to keep constantly over correct or try to keep it level, but it is almost impossible. No matter which way you are going, downwind, upwind, I mean, the wind is not that strong, so. Alright, that was close enough, I think. Right turns are a little more stable, but well, nobody said that you cannot have fun with this. It's a lot of excitement actually when you're flying it, because you don't know if it's going to hit somebody or not, or hit you for that matter. Look at that, like, you know, it will be like a challenge to keep it in the air. And you can buy multiple of these. I'm not recommending it, but if you want, and then have a competition, which will be who is going to keep it in the air longer without crashing. You know, it is And sometimes it's cutting off. I don't know if you heard the cut in the throttle. I think the controller is from time to time losing control. Okay, done. All right, that's it, folks. If you are planning to buy one and modify, good luck. Tim.
The thing is, man, you can come up and do a hammerhead. I saw try to do with that, but then you're in trouble because you're going straight down into the ground.
I know. I did, I think, a 3 loops back to, or 2.5 loops back to back at one point with this.
The good thing is they bounce like basketballs.
Yes.
Straight down,
they just bounce because they are made of like soft foam. So folks, if you are planning to buy one of these,
so is that a recommendation or not?
No, it's not a recommendation. If you are planning to buy one of these, do it at your own risk. I'm telling you. You know, you can have a lot of fun with it, depending on your personality, you know, fixing and trying to fly it. Or you are going to hate it, and after the first flight, you are going to give up and throw it in trash or give it to somebody. Like Tim, who can actually fix it and make it fly a little better. Right, Tim?
I could get it stable into a circular flight. It didn't roll too bad.
Yeah.
But if I tried to turn it, you know, but it's almost like free flight. You just kind of get it into a stable thing and just can watch it go around and around and enjoy it.
Yep.
But don't try to turn it.
Yeah, don't try to turn. And fly it on a calm weather.
Calm weather, man. Yeah,
All right, folks, thank you very much for watching this short recap on this DIY 350mm no name skate. We call it skate because there somewhere it says skate on the wings. Airplane from Banggood. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.